The solution by Shepon. Today I show you some physical exercise. Now we're starting our exercise. First, mountain climbing exercise. This exercise is very important for us. Now I show you how to start this exercise and doing it. First time, we fixed two hands onto the ground, straight to the shoulder, and left leg inside of the both hand, and right leg backside of the ground, straight to the body, and toe onto the ground and looks front. And start. First, you change your legs. Left leg goes to the straight to the backside, and right leg goes inside of the both hand. Now you're counting 10 and doing this exercise. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, you can do this exercise every day. Your rectus abdominis and hamstring and gluteus also developed if you do every day. Thank you very much. Now we start another exercise. This